dear students, please welcome to my channel English with Nana sir. In this video, I have brought for you the grammar MCQ questions from the topic how to identify compound sentences using simple tips and tricks of the grammar rules. And I have tried to cover all types of compound sentences here so that it can help you in your board exam. So let's learn these IMP grammar MCQs now. How to identify compound sentences. 7 MCQ questions with tips and tricks. Tips or tricks to identify the compound sentence. See fanboys conjunctions joining two clauses in the middle of the sentence and then tick your option. Fanboys conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Compound sentence has two or more clauses and they are always main clauses and joined by the fanboys conjunctions. For example, there are 8 wonders in the world and the Taj Mahal is one of them. Here, there are 8 wonders in the world is one main clause. The Taj Mahal is one of them is another main clause. And these two clauses are joined by and conjunction. There are 2 or more subjects and 2 or more tense verbs. Tense verb is the verb which can tell the tense of the sentence. Here, are and is are 2 tense verbs in the above example of compound sentence because they are telling the tense of the sentence. Here, present tense. Got it? Now let's see the MCQ questions. Question number 1. Identify the compound sentence. Option A. I don't know. When will he like to go? Option B. They are working hard so that they will pass. Option C. She is eating a cake. Option D. He cannot see clearly unless he wears glasses. Dear students, please identify the compound sentence now. The correct answer is option B. They are working hard so that they will pass. Know why? First reason, there is coordinate conjunction so from fanboys joining two main clauses. 2 subjects, they, and the 2 tense verbs are working and will pass. Therefore, this is the compound sentence. Question number 2. Identify the compound sentence. Option A. She is very kind to me since I fell ill. Option B. Honorable Prime Minister went to Delhi to attend the meeting. Option C. I shall show you my garden after you take rest. Option D. He left for Mumbai on Monday and reached there on Tuesday. Dear students, please identify the compound sentence here. The correct answer is option D. He left for Mumbai on Monday and reached there on Tuesday. Know why? First reason, there is coordinate conjunction and from fanboys joining the 2 main clauses. 2 subjects, he, and the 2 tense verbs left and reached. Therefore, this is the compound sentence. Question number 3. Identify the compound sentence. Option A. In spite of doing hard study, he could not appear for exam. Option B. She waited for him for many hours, yet he didn't come back. Option C. If I know him, I would invite him. Option D. Man is the only animal which can laugh. Dear students, please identify the compound sentence here. The correct answer is option B. She waited for him for many hours, yet he didn't come back. Know why? First reason, there is coordinate conjunction yet from fanboys, which join 2 main clauses. 2 subjects are there, she and the 2 tense verbs waited and didn't come are there. Therefore, this is the compound sentence. Question number 4. Identify the compound sentence. Option A. Though she is rich, she is not happy. Option B. I saw a girl who was singing a song. Option C. My father likes coffee, but my mother loves tea. Option D. Having taken food, I left for office. Dear students, please identify the compound sentence here. The correct answer is option C. My father likes coffee, but my mother likes tea. Know why? First reason, there is coordinate conjunction but from fanboys, which joined two main clauses from the middle. Two subjects are there, my father and my mother, and the two tense verbs are there, likes and loves. Therefore, this is the compound sentence. Question number 5. Identify the compound sentence. Option A. I am going to Pune as I have some work there. Option B. On seeing the tiger, the deer ran faster to save its life. Option C. Since she was late, she was punished. Option D. Priya joined tuition for she wants to pass medical entrance exam this year. Dear students, please identify the compound sentence now. The correct answer is option D. Priya joined tuition for she wants to pass medical entrance exam this year. Know why? First reason, there is coordinate conjunction for from fanboys which joined two main clauses from the middle of the sentence. Two subjects are there, Priya and she, and the two tense verbs are there, joined and wants. Therefore, this is the compound sentence. Question number 6. Identify the compound sentence. Option A. The patient didn't eat food nor he drank water. Option B. Tea is not only cold but also bitter. Option C. When I will get money, I will pay your debt. Option D. Being late, Rahul was punished. My dear students, please identify the compound sentence now. The correct answer is option A. The patient didn't eat food nor drank water. Know why? First reason, there is coordinate conjunction nor from fanboys, which join two main clauses from the middle of the sentence. Two subjects are there, the patient and he, and the two tense verbs are there, didn't eat and drank are there. Therefore, this is the compound sentence. Question number 7. Identify the compound sentence. Option A. In addition to drawing, I am good at singing. Option B. Police are not able to control the crime because the ministers are not supporting them. Option C. Come with me if you want to live. Option D. You can go to your home or stay with us tonight. Dear students, please identify the compound sentence now. The correct answer is option D. You can go to your home or stay with us tonight. Know why? First reason, there is coordinate conjunction or from fanboys which join two main clauses. Two subjects are there, you and you for same person, and the two tense verbs can go and stay. Therefore, this is the compound sentence. Thank you, my dear students.